Take me walking. Come on, take me walking. Like this, like this.
What about one together? Oh my god.
Alright guys, I'm ready to go out to clubs. This is one of the outfits that I to go to the club in South Florida. White, black, white, invisible socks. Okay, these are the chunky. These are chunky. It's like a big chunky sole at the end. The shirt is like a modern shirt. Jewelry. So a lot of jewelry. All right. Muscles, tattoo, grooming. All right. So this is my first outfit to go out to clubs tonight. All right. Out. Hey guys, this is outfit number 2. All black outfit, but with high tops. High tops are coming back. So, you see high tops. Let me see if I can do it like this. So, again, the shirt a little folded, a little bit folded. How do you say, Mama? Folded?
Yeah.
And then tattoo, muscles, jewelry. Just a simple outfit. Magic folks dresses like this. I follow Magic folks. So high tops are coming back again. All black. A little bit of distress on my jeans. It's like a very nice distress. It's not too over the top. Okay. Let's see what else. Again, the grooming, the beard on point. The poverty beard, hair, shaved head, muscle, sexy down to fuck. Okay, sexy muscles. Okay, you gotta be in shape, guys. You gotta be in shape. Gotta be in shape. Gotta look good. High tops, clean. Okay, clean shoes. All right. Right, Mama? Yeah. Alright guys, I'm ready to go out. This is another outfit again. Okay, this one has a little bit of distress. Distress, white short white shoes, leather shoes, invisible socks. These are platform. This is the new style, modern. Okay, now distress, but I don't like distress too much. Just a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Too much is too feminine. Try hard. Again, modern shirt. I like this type of shirt because I have a long torso, so they look good on me. All right, everything on point. Muscles, jewelry, masculine. Okay, jewelry. The beard is on point. Grooming. The beard is on point. The shaved head. The muscle, tattoos, everything on point. Okay, so I look sexy. Tailored, the jeans are tailored, everything perfect. The length of the jean is perfect. Everything on point, everything on point, everything on point. All right. Now, this is another outfit. Okay, so jeans, high tops are coming back into style. Okay. Again, high tops. The shirt is, I like it like this. Here, you can do it like this, so you can do it more open like this, a little for more down to fuckness. But now, with this generation, that doesn't work. I did a video on the DTF, putting this a little, showing more male cleavage, but now with this generation is a little different. So I would, you know, so everything on point, guys. Everything on point. Clean, the shoes clean. White, high tops. High tops is coming back in style. Jewelry, in shape. Grooming, okay. Facial hair, everything detailed, everything fits correctly, everything right, everything on point, everything on point, everything on point. Okay? Right? Not too tight, not too loose. Everything on point, guys. Everything on point. Everything on point. Everything on point. Okay? Alright, this is another outfit. Let's see. Alright, so light cream shirt, light jeans, little distress, but not too big on the distress. Let's see, boots, sweat boots. Okay, I'm not big on Chelsea's anymore. Chelsea's like a little played out, so I'm wearing more like sweat boots now. But it's the same, you know. Makes you a little taller, nice, you know. The jeans have to be tailored. The opening 13 centimeters. Again, I like big watches because I'm muscular. So big watch, rings, jewelry, tattoo, sexy motherfucker, in shape. Alright, I like these type of shirts now because I have a long torso, so they look good on me. Okay, not for everybody, but for my body type, I have a long torso, so they look good. Okay, so this is another outfit, guys. Alright, getting ready to go to the club. Remember, I'm in South Florida, so I don't really wear a lot of long sleeves, but because it's hot in here, so. Alright, so you get the general idea. Alright, the boots I recommend them from Aldo. I tried New Republic. I used to recommend New Republic, but I think Aldo is the best for shoes. I know a lot of you guys like ASOS, but for me the number one is Aldo. ALDO, Aldo. Okay. Now I have an all black outfit, right? Now the all black outfit, I'm not gonna wear it like this. Okay, I don't wear the all black like this. You see that I got the boots. The opening is 15 centimeters. In one video say 13. So I got boots. You can do Chelsea leather and Chelsea leather, and you can do Chelsea sweat. Okay, Chelsea sweat more casual look for maybe for like the summer. Chelsea leather more for like more formal look. Okay, the whole point I'm doing the whole black outfit is to show you that you can do with the simple all black outfit, you can combine it with different shirts on top, and I'm gonna show you the different shirts, like bomber jackets, like leather jackets, like all different. I'll show you, okay, all different type of jackets, and it will make it look good. Okay, you can do all black, or these with brown Chelsea leather. Chelsea sweat. I'm sorry, or Chelsea or brown boots. Okay. Again, the jeans is 15 centimeters, not too long. A little bit longer. I like the jeans a little bit longer to boots than when I go to sneakers. With the sneakers, I like them a little bit on top or a little bit above. With boots, I like them to go down a little bit, but not too much. Okay, this is for you, Train. Train, you like, I think it's Train or Rain, I don't know. One old guy posted a picture and he has too many layers going down. You don't want that. You just want a little bit, you see? Like me, you see? This perfect. Tailoring 15 centimeters, okay? So I'm gonna show you with different. For example, you can do black with this type of thing. I wouldn't use this for the summer though. Okay. So this is one example. Right? Showing jewelry to peacock, rings. Right? So you can wear all different types on top. Let me show you another one. Okay, you can do any type of shirt on top. Okay, all right, like this one. All right, again, I like them showing jewelry, ring. I wear rings. If they get ask you when you have a ring, if you are married, that means she's interested. She's interested. It's an IOI. A girl that is not interested wouldn't give a fuck if you're married or not. Alright? Enjoy another one. Again, all black leather. Well, this video is more for the summer, but I'm just showing you just to make the point that you can do different with all black outfits. You can do different tops. Okay? You don't need to get all that many clothes. You can do a lot of things. Okay? With all black. Okay? Alright guys, so this is more for the summer. Okay, again, I'm wearing a lot of laces boots, and I mean, women still like Chelsea's more than aesthetic wise. Women still like Chelsea's more than laces, but I'm wearing more laces boots because I think everybody has Chelsea's. I mean, they're getting played out, you know. But every time, Mama, you like which one do you like, Chelsea's or boots better?
Chelsea's.
So you see, the girls like some like my girl likes Chelsea better. I just borrow the Chelsea because they're kind of played out, but still, women love them. Okay, but again, a big watch because I'm muscular. You notice opening here, male cleavage down to fogness, but not too much. Like I saw this guy, this red pill guy, Andrew Tate. He has the chair open all the way to here. That's no, too much. Just a little bit, okay? Just a little bit, showing my cleavage, but in good taste, okay? In good taste, okay? So, just, you know, give a little bit to the imagination, jewelry, rings, the beard on point, the beard, my beard, the poverty beard, grooming, shaved head, in shape, guys, in shape. You gotta be in shape, you gotta be in shape, sexy. Jeans tailor. Okay, jeans tailors. Okay, dance moves when you dance. You know, this combined with the dance move made me the stripper, masculine, a stripper stereotype. One of my exes went out with a very good-looking guy yesterday, but she was turned off. I wanna see if I posted this. She was turned off because the guy have feminine mannerisms. So you see, my voice is deep. My mannerisms are masculine, okay? I'm very masculine, all right? So that's important, guy. Even when I dance, it's sexy, but it's sexy masculine, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you three things. I'm gonna show you with laces boots. I'm gonna show you with sweat Chelsea's and with leather Chelsea, so you guys can see the difference, okay? Hold on. All right, guys, I didn't want to change too many shirts. Look, the same shirt, now with the Chelsea's, okay? These are leather Chelsea's. Leather Chelsea's is more a more high class look, more elegant look, okay? Chelsea's, alright? More elegant look, but again, the jeans. I don't want the jeans too long, dropping too much. And I don't want the jeans too short. It has to be just dropping a little bit, but not too much, okay? Like this. Okay, these ones are perfect. Alright? So I'm gonna show you now with the leather Chelsea's, black leather Chelsea for a more casual look. Alright guys, so these are the sweat Chelsea's. It's a more casual look. Okay, so if you want a little more casual summer look, it's more casual, the sweat ones. Right? Like the girls I date, they like the Chelsea's more than the laces. But you know, just I'm bored. I'm bored of the Chelsea's personally, because everybody has them now. But they don't look good, you know. It's like everybody wear jeans, but not everybody looks good in jeans. Okay, so tailoring again, 15 centimeters, opening down to fogness, jewelry, a ring, big watch because I'm muscular, dance moves to peacock, everything on point. Everything on point. Everything on point. Alright, guys. You know what I'm gonna say now. Like, subscribe, get the book, follow my blog, follow the other videos. I'm the real deal. If you don't like it, please suck on my left nut, because my right one is the reproductive. Get the book, get the fuck out.